Hey guys, Ben here from Pax Power Performance Trucks in Houston, Texas. And over the past, let's say 6 or 7 years, we have become the GM experts when it comes to trucks and SUVs. I claim in a lot of videos, I think we are supercharging more of these GM trucks and SUVs with the 6.2 liter, the 5.3 liter, the 6.6 liter than anyone in the world. We're doing a lot of these. We love GM, we do a lot of Ford, but I'm a GM guy. Love the trucks, and we always have a lot of them around our shop. We came to you a few weeks ago with what we kind of called a dream driveway, and we used two of the new Cypress Gray Jackal and the Jackal SUV to show you what that might look like. Behind me, got kind of another dream driveway, I think. This time we're going all blacked out. Black on black on black, black on black on black, everywhere. If you like this look, who wouldn't like this to be their driveway? And we're gonna use these trucks to show a couple of things. One, like let's say you just want a supercharger only. You're not gonna do a crazy full build. Well, I'm gonna use this Sierra over here to talk about that. Let's say you wanna go the other way. You wanna really make the vehicle your own, do a ton of mods, visual mods, suspension, performance, one things. I'm gonna use this Yukon over here to talk about that. Mild to wild. So hang out for a few minutes. I'm gonna go over these two builds and let's talk about getting a supercharged GM in your driveway. So over here we've got a Sierra 1500 Denali that really came pretty cool from the factory. This one, in my opinion, and probably a lot of your opinions, doesn't need a lot of upgrades. It came with some really cool looking trim and details from the factory, and we didn't do that. It came with, you know, the blacked out badges, blacked out Denali. This came with blacked out wheels. Coming around to the grill, you've got blacked out grill, blacked out emblems. Everywhere, just nice shiny black. Dealerships do stuff like this. GM offers a package like this. Maybe you're happy with what is on the lot, and by all means, do what you like. But if you want more power, and like this customer did, come to us for that. And that's exactly what we did on this one. We put in our 3.0 liter Whipple Supercharger. That's gonna take the horsepower from 420 to 650. That's a 55% increase in power. And that's a good 55%. These trucks are reliable. We have extremely good reliability out of them. They drive like stock. They make a ton of power. They can go anywhere, run on 91, 93, run up in the mountains, run down at sea level and heat. They do great everywhere. In fact, we've got these trucks all over the world and doing really well. So if you want to add power to your GM truck or SUV, this is a really good option. We also warranty these packages, so you're not really taking a risk on your new expensive truck or SUV investment. We'll warranty this for $336. And yeah, for a lot of people, this is going to get it done. This is going to make that truck perform how you want it to. And so on this one, this customer also wanted the performance on their 2026 Yukon Denali. So below this hood, we also have the same 3.0 liter supercharger, making the same 650 horsepower, you know, near Escalade V levels of power. So if you want an alternative to those super expensive Escalade Vs, heard MSRP is like $175,000 now, it's getting crazy. This would be a really good option for you. But this truck didn't come from the factory all blacked out and beautiful like the one over there did. It came covered in chrome trim, brush trim, all over the place. So we had to get rid of this for this customer because he wanted a one of one. So as you look at this truck, you see we've blacked out the grille. We've painted this lower section black down here. Black tow hooks, really made everything dark. Coming around to the side, we've done black smoked out lights. Wheels, we did a black set of one Vossens, had to custom order these in this offset. We did the gloss black, so it turned out really cool. Coming down the side, black badges, black up here that we painted. you know, really did details, and we're happy to do that for customers. We have paint in-house now, so if you want to knock out a bunch of details on one of these trucks, make it your own, we're happy to do that. We're also, you know, we've got packages. So we talked about the Supercharger, we talked about the one-of-one kind of details here or there, but then we've also got packages for lifting it. Like on this example, we've got the Jackal SUV package. We featured this a lot. It's a super popular package for us. We've got a handful of them at the shop at all times, and for good reason. We delete that really soft, you know, pillowy air ride that comes on these that's made for grandma and come in with some real suspension. These things have, you know, 2.5-inch coilovers on all four corners. We upgrade the front upper control arm, the rear lower control arm to get really good travel and ride out of these, and it's enough to clear 35-inch wheels and tires. So, you know, you've got one of these Yukons, you're thinking about one of these Yukons, but you want to make it your own in terms of suspension, wheels, tires, performance, and then details. Well, there's no other place to call. Give us a call at Pax Power. We'd love to hear from you.